more crisp, you can throw them in there, and I might just do that for a couple of minutes. I have some chicken wings I'm going to be making inside of the Ninja air fryer that I have going on right here. I'll show you how to do that. So what I'm going to do is, I have the chicken wings. I had these marinating overnight. I put some onion powder on them. Put some garlic powder on them. I put some pepper on there. I'm going to put some meat tenderizer on here so I can get these tenderization. So what I'm going to do is, I also had olive oil in here, and I coated olive oil after I put the seasonization on it, just so I can get tenderization afterwards. So I put it on. You can see some of the flakes. Put salt on there. Gonna go ahead and put these in. This smells great. Come up to the screen and smell that. Absolute. So I'm gonna put these inside of the pot or the tray of the Ninja air fryer. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these in here, and I'm gonna set the Ninja air fryer for about 20 minutes at 375, and then I'll do another 5 minutes at 400 degrees wheezy afterwards. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. It's under the air fryer setting, and start. Let's see what this looks like afterwards. Put this inside of the rice maker machine, close it just like that, and then press this down just like that. We'll see what it looks like afterwards. Absolute. So it's about 5 minutes, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to check on these to see how this is going. So let's go ahead and open this up. Nice. Cooking nicely. So I'm going to put this in here for a second, but I'm going to come back and flip this over. Alright, so I have this right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. And so I'm going to flip these. I have about 4 minutes left. So I'm going to flip this to get the other side. You can see the other side, even though it was at the bottom. Now we're here. It did get brown on some of these pieces of chicken. Right? Gonna flip that up there. Look at that. That's tenderism down in here. So flip these. Now these are air chilled organic chicken wings. Gonna flip that like this. Look at that. All right. Now, does that one need flip? Well, this is the one that browned on the other side, even though I flipped that one. Alright, so I'm going to let this run out, and then we're going to put it on to about 400 degrees wheezy for about 5 minutes. So it's about 3 minutes on here, 4 minutes on here. We're going to let that run, and then we'll flip them maybe, and then put them at 400 degrees for 5 minutes, okay? Absolute. Alright, so right here, it just ended. We're going to check this out to see how it's going. So, it just ended. I wanted a little bit more crispinized, so I'm going to just tilt these slightly, perhaps to a area that needs more cooking. Get that right there. Because I don't want to over brownate the wings. So I have that. Alright, so I have the wings right there. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to turn it back on. And then I'm going to go to air fryer. Now what you want to do is put it at 400 degrees. Oh, that's that. Put it at 5 minutes. And then put it at 400 degrees wheezy right here. And you can start it. Or, if you want to, you can use this Max Crisp feature that I like to use. So I'll use Max Crisps. 5 minutes. It's going to be at 450. Okay, so we'll see how this goes. Start. Alright, so while this is cooking over here, I'm going to do dessert inside of the Ninja air fryer. I'm going to make fried bananas, or air fried bananas. Absolute good. So I have a ripe banana. I'm going to go ahead and cut this like so. See, I'm cutting that like that. So I have that, okay? So then I'll go ahead and get a bowl. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to go ahead and put the banana inside of the bowl. Right? Then I'm going to get, you could use some olive oil spray, but I like to use pure avocado oil spray. This is Chosen Foods 100% pure avocado oil spray. And so what I'll do is, I'll just spray this on that right there. And just turn this a couple of times so the oil gets on it. Just a light coat. Like that. And then I'm going to put this in the air fryer after I have in there what I have in there get done. Alright, so let's get on this. Alright, the zucchini is done, so I'm going to pull this out and see that it's perfectly toasted. Look at that. Absolute. I'm going to put it back in the bowl. Want to get all that juice from down there. Got that chicken juice down there. Probably add some flavoration, so some of it got on. Maybe a little bit more chicken juice on the rest of it. Look at that. Probably have a nice flavoration to it. Alright, so put that in the bowl. Alright, so remember what I said, I had the banana, so I'm just going to go ahead and place these inside of that right here. Inside of the pan. I'm going to close this. I'm going to set the timer. Say about 4 minutes. Air fry. Start. See what that looks like. Absolute. Alright, so the fried bananas are done. Actually, they're looking nice, but I might put these in for another minute or two. But what I'll do is I'll put these on max crisp right there. And then I'll put the time. Maybe 2 minutes should do it. So I'm going to do that. While that's going, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to get these chicken wings. So a couple of chicken wings on a plate. Look at that. Absolute. I'm going to get some zucchini that was dipped in chicken grease. Alright, so I have all that. Look at that. Absolute. Maybe I'll get another. No, just keep that many chicken wings. So while this is going, I have about another minute and a half on this in order for me to get the fried bananas. I have the rice. Remember the rice that I cooked? It's right here. Absolute. So I'm going to get some of the rice. A spoonful. Look at it. Came out to perfectionando. It's a little bit of French for you. Absolute. Perfect mondo. Alright, so about another minute on here. Alright, so I'm just going to gather up some of the stuff. Has another minute. I'm going to put a little bit of, what is that, red wine vinegar, and I'm not going to use that. But I'm going to put some Kikkoman soy sauce. Just a little bit of that on that. And this is about done over here. So look how well the chicken wings got done. Look at the zucchini. This is what my bowl is going to look like. Pull this out. So they're toasted enough for me. So what I'll do is get some of these. If you want them a little bit more crisp, you can throw them in there. And I might just do that for a couple of minutes. Look at that. Absolute. Absolute. Look at this.